This is just a quick video showing a feature that I kind of forgot about in my main hacker search features video. And so this is just the ability to highlight something, and then when you press Control F, you'll just hop to all matches found within the file, and it goes up and down and searches for those. Doing this will also add terms to your search history, so that's good there if you forgot what you were doing and wanted to look it up again. If you select something that is, say you only want to find something that's in all caps or matches some kind of case, you can just enable Blender's default case here, and when you press Control F, it will only search things with the case match. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just something that makes life a little bit easier rather than having to copy something, open this up, paste it in, press Find Next. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.